You might be familiar with the desk setup behind me, and it was my favorite part of the studio for the last year. I wanted to make this video for a really long time because I have something new to show you, and I really can't wait to do that. Let me show you. Let's go! New studio. The idea behind this new studio is not that it's gonna be replacing my original studio with the fancy desk, because right now, as you can see, it's my garage basically. But the idea is to have a second set where I can make some experiment. I can create some different set, like top-down sets or second desk to test different products. And I want to focus more on product photography, and as you can see, I have a really nice table, and I'm planning to install on that wall some background that can go up and down with different colors like white, black and green screen. And then I can generally make bigger unboxing and fun videos, just a space dedicated for the channel and for my careers, of course. And it's gonna be really cool with time. I worked on this project for 1 year, and the result is not that great because I didn't have so much time with the channel, the life going on. But I'm planning to make some big upgrades. It already has an electric tension screen that go up and down with a projector. Hopefully it will be 4K projector. But there are two main problems with this space. First is that it's really dirty, the floor is dirty. Thank you, Ecovacs. This is not a sponsored video. I highly suggest you to get a vacuum from Ecovacs. They work really well.
I am starting the clean.
So I took my time for cleaning. It turned out pretty well for being a garage. Now the second problem is the sound. This space is really empty, and of course it's a garage, so there isn't much furniture around. As you saw in the previous clip, I tried to sound treat it, and I cover all this metallic wall, which is the door of the garage, with sound panels. Now the sound improved much better, but there are still 3 walls that are completely flat. So I'm planning to make DIY some sound acoustic panel to cover the walls and also the ceiling, hopefully to improve the audio. But let me know in the comments what do you think about the audio quality. Right now I have just the wall behind me sound treated, but it also improved a lot from the original metallic wall. As you can see, using batteries for your lighting is really nice, because you don't have wires. Often you don't have a power outlet where you want to record, so you just throw batteries in the lighting and you can move it wherever you want without any problem of wires. Okay, so let me know what you think about this new project, if you are excited as I am, and if you have any question, please leave a comment with some really cool ideas for the new studio. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!